Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Finally, Huawei released a portable laptop. To be honest, I don't remember Huawei laptops cheaper than $1,000. But here is Huawei MateBook 13. Although its price is only $800, it provides premium features. The laptop comes with 13-inch 2K display, 8th generation Intel processor, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of SSD, and much more interesting features. In this video, I want to tell you about main features of Huawei MateBook 13 and why it should be your next laptop. First of all, Huawei MateBook 13 is a compact laptop or ultrabook. It has 13-inch display with 2K resolution, 2160 by 1440 pixels. The screen has ultra-narrow bezels, only 4.4mm. The screen-to-body ratio is about 88%. However, the front camera is still above the display. It is amazing. I am waiting for bezel-less laptops for a long time, and now it becomes real. Also, I should say about 178-degree viewing angle, sRGB color gamut, and 300 nit brightness. Huawei MateBook 13 is ultrabook, so it has very thin and light body. The thickness is only 14.9mm, while the weight is 1.3 kg. By the way, the body is made of metal, like should be a premium laptop. Another feature of this laptop is Fingerprint Reader in power button. Now you can power the laptop and log in computer with one key. As for connectors, there is 3.5mm audio jack and 2 USB Type-C. If we talk about hardware, Huawei MateBook 13 is powered by Intel Core i5-8265U processor and NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 graphics. There is 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD memory. The laptop uses double cooling fan, so the air volume increased by 25%. Among other features are Windows 10 out-of-the-box, NFC, Huawei Share 3.0 function, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0. Huawei MateBook 13 has 42 Wh battery, which provides about 10 hours of watching video. Also, the manufacturer promises 2.5 hours for office use from just 15 minutes of charging. It sounds impressive, but we cannot check it now. Huawei MateBook 13 looks like the best laptop at the beginning of 2019. Yes, we cannot say it is budget, because the price is $800, but have you seen its features? This is a premium laptop with amazing design and display, good performance, and many different features. It is definitely worth buying. I will leave the link where to buy this laptop in description. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time!